In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create a TikTok account in 2026, step by step, without skipping the important details. First, wake your phone and unlock it so we can reach the home screen. Once your phone is unlocked, make sure you're on the home screen. This is where we'll start.
Now tap the App Store icon once and wait for it to open. We're now in the App Store. Tap the search field so we can find TikTok. We're now in the App Store. Tap the search field so we can find TikTok.
Now type TikTok exactly like this. Take your time and don't press search yet. Tap search. When the results appear, look for TikTok from TikTok Ltd before you install anything. Tap Get to start the download. If your iPhone asks you to confirm, follow the Face ID or side button prompt.
Wait for TikTok to finish installing. When Open appears, tap it once to launch the app.
TikTok is now open. Before entering anything, choose the sign-up option you want to use.
For this tutorial, choose Use Phone or Email. This lets us create the account step by step. Choose the correct country code, then enter your own phone number in this field. Keep your personal information private.
TikTok will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code you actually receive here and never share it with anyone.
Create your own strong, unique password. Keep it private and follow the requirements TikTok shows on your screen.
Now choose your own username. This is your unique identity and part of your TikTok profile link.
Your TikTok account is now created. From here, follow the setup options TikTok actually shows on your screen.
Next, add a profile photo if you want one. Tap Upload Photo and choose an image from your own device.
Review your profile photo. Make sure you're happy with it. Then confirm it. You can change it later.
Now add your display name. This is different from your username and is the name people will see on your profile.
Add a short bio that tells people who you are or what your content is about. Keep it clear and useful.
TikTok may ask you to follow creators during setup. You can choose accounts you like, or skip this step and follow people later. TikTok may ask to send notifications. You can allow them, or choose Not Now and change the notification settings later. Your account is ready. Tap the button to enter TikTok. And your new account is now ready to use. This is your For You feed. Videos appear here, while the controls around the screen let you interact with content and reach your profile.
Open your profile and check everything you entered. Check your photo, display name, username, and bio. Make sure everything looks correct.
Tap Edit Profile to review and change your profile information. Here you can manage your photo, name, username, and bio. Tap Change Photo whenever you want to update your profile picture. TikTok will then show you the available ways to choose a new one. Your name is your display name. Your username is your @identity and part of your profile link. Change either one only when you're sure.